Okay, here we go. This is a fun one to practice. So you start off with an oval shape. Slightly bigger oval shape underneath. And now we need to add a bit of sort of shape to this. So one little line sweeping across. Right at the front, and that's our sight line. Also need to do kind of the same here. Again, this gives us these two sort of 3D shapes. So we've got our character's head and our character's body. Now we're going to start off by putting another little circle on here. And the same over the other side. So you see it's hidden by the head, but you've got the same on each side. You've also got another little oval there, and another little oval on the other side. Now these are going to be where the arms and legs attach to our robot. So on there we've got a little curve. That's sort of like a little tube joining onto our character there. On the end, another little oval. About the same over the other side. This time you can see the end because the perspective's slightly different. There you go. We have the same down here. So this time we're going to make these a little bit shorter, a little bit wider for our character's legs. Now both of these are going to just sit into these more little semicircles. Our character's feet. Something like that. And now this is going to be our character's sort of hand, so we need to get a little thumb in there. And I'm going to put his fingers in. There we go. Same down here. Going to have his thumb. Again, the angles are slightly different. Now on both of these arms, we're just going to put some curves in so we can see the direction these arms are going, so we can see the curve on them. Same on the legs. There we go. And now we need to get onto our character's eyes. I think on this one we're going to go for some really big eyes. So one up there. This one, again, is hidden on the other side of the head a bit. And then little circles in where the pupils are going to go. Let's have a little antenna on the top of the head here. And maybe even something on the side too. Got the same on the other side, but most of it's going to be hidden. It's going to be around here, so you might just see the end of the antenna. Let's get something on this guy's belly. So like a control panel on there. Something like a belt on him. Something like a belt that a human would wear. It's more like a screw fitting on a jar. There we go. Now some of these lines we can just start refining a bit. We know we're going to keep them. The ones that are hidden behind places like there. you just don't go over. So your guidelines are kind of lost by the time you finish the drawing. Mark on the palm of his hands there. Makes a few little lines to suggest the shape. Again, just working through, adding in bits and details as we go along, just kind of making it up. Might have a few little kind of bolts and rivets and stuff around there. Little bits of metal panels with the bolts on there. Now this guy doesn't have a mouth, but I'm gonna just put in a tiny little mouth there. A little shocked looking mouth. Let's just thicken up those pupils a bit. Black those in. There we go. And we're just picking out a few of these lines that we want to keep, and now we can start adding in little bits of shading just to add some depth to this character. So where the two shapes meet, where the head meets the body, get a little shading underneath there, so the head sits in the right place. We'll have a little bit of shading around the back. Yeah, again, just to add a little bit of shape to this. Put a bit of shading over these arms and legs, just to kind of make those stand out away from the body a bit. Let's just make sure those eyes are picked out as they should be. Bit of a stronger line. Now we're going to add in extra few little bits of detail. It's kind of more bolts and rivets and that kind of stuff. It makes this guy look like he's been pieced together by all bits of metal. Let's just stick a little bit of shadow underneath, just to ground our character a bit. And there you go. You've got your cute little robot character. In another session, we'll go through this and we'll add some kind of ink outlines and some colour and all that kind of stuff. I think that's a good place to leave it for today. So thanks for joining me. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all the new videos I put up. If you've enjoyed this video, hit like, share it with your friends, add any comments you like below, and I'll see you again next time.